I can study here.
Yeah, no, I'll be quiet. I was actually just gonna take a nap, be knocked out, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah. Just quiet and shit, you know what I mean? I've been knocked the fuck out all day, dude. Took his Xanax, been. Whew.
I'm in town, yeah, party's going down, you dig, shoot them down, with a 50 round, you dig.
What's up, guys? I know it's not in the car, we're not doing an intro in the car this time, but today I'm gonna be doing the sleeping in the library prank. Also, I hope you guys like that intro in the beginning. I made that the other day and that whole logo and everything, so this is dysfunctional. I cannot wait for you guys to see what we have coming. So moving to LA soon, let's get that bread. How you feeling, boss?
Tired.
Listen here, you listen, dude. I want you to listen real hard, close, and steady, okay? There's no time for being sad, down, or tired, okay? Tired equals being put.
Hey, you mind if I take a nap? You mind? You don't care? Fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Are you cold? Are you cold? Alright, cool. Hey, do you mind if I sleep and shit? I'm not. Cool. Got any candy and shit?
Got some mints.
Yeah, do you mind? It makes me not snore and shit. Oh shit. So you felt the fucking thing, you know what I mean? Fuck the tables here, dude. Some shit. What's up, boss? What's your name?
Archie.
Topher. I knock out quick as shit. Like need my blanket and everything. Oh shit. Ooh. It's fucking raining outside and shit. It kinda like makes me sleepy, you know what I mean? Like allergies and shit. Probably need to take a walk, you know what I mean? What's your name?
I'm Lydia.
Lydia. Topher. Nice to meet you.
I can study here.
Yeah, no, I'll be quiet. I was actually just gonna take a nap, be knocked out, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah. Just quiet and shit, you know what I mean? I've been knocked the fuck out all day, dude. Took his Xanax, been. Whew. Oh shit.
We're studying here.
Fuck. Y'all heard that shit?
No, I think you should sit there. We are studying. You should sit there.
It's just kind of like mean and shit, you know what I mean? Like I'm just trying to sleep and shit, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but we are studying here anyway.
Yeah. I'm studying too, like the
Whatever, you can sit there.
yeah.
There's an open table there.
Yeah.
Or we can switch. I don't think we'll
We can switch and shit? Like
No,
you
no,
can sit
no.
like
You
right
sit
here?
here, we can go there.
Oh, I'm just kind of like offended and shit, you know what I mean? Like,
No, it's okay, but we are trying to study here, okay?
gotcha.
Yeah, project.
Oh yeah, I was just trying to sleep and shit, you know what I mean?
You can-
You know like that Drake lyric, like out like a light and shit? Like that's what I've been like, you know what I mean? Like Xanax and shit.
Let's sit there. Or we can go there.
Alright, yeah. I mean, I kind of like,
You sleep here?
yeah. I'm kind of like a wolf and shit, you know? Like I mark my territory.
Okay.
Like they call me Alpha and shit. You ever seen that movie, Alpha?
No.
We got some good reactions out of that. One thing that I kind of realized as we keep going on with this stuff is like we've been posting like so much. The library videos are so fucking funny. Like if you guys want any more of those, make sure to leave a like on this. Also, I just want to say, if you want to see any extra video content that we all post, just follow us on Snapchat. Literally, like we always are posting on there, always posting videos and like behind the scenes and everything. I'm thinking like right now, as it stands, we're gonna have to start traveling and shit. Like we're gonna start going to different colleges. So I think we're gonna go Ole Miss. That's closer to us. I think that's where we're gonna go next. Please take 5 seconds starting now just to go click that like button because it would help out a lot. I'm gonna wait on you. Don't worry. Yeah, I'm still waiting. Like you probably haven't done it. You're probably scrolling down like right now, but like I mean I'm being serious. Like just like the video right now. Sunday. I'll see you guys Monday.
I'm in town, yeah, parties going down. You dig? Shoot them down with a 50 round.
Oh, hard ass.
Hard ass.
Hard ass. Oh.